Tigers can get at least a run on and out. And they'll get more than that, perhaps. That one's up the alley, left center field. Quentin scores. Here comes Blanks roaring around third base, and he will score. It's 5-2. A ringing double for yonder Alonso. 2 doubles tonight for the Padre first baseman, and the 5-0 lead cut to 5-2.
That was picture perfect, and the reason why I say that is he got the front foot down, he kept the hands back. It was a breaky ball, lefty on lefty, away. He didn't try to pull it. Splitting the gap again to left center field. Now Mark Sweeney, that's some kind of nice.
Some kind of nice, but it's good to see him controlling his body, controlling his head. And when he's hitting doubles, that's when his strength is going. Those home runs are going to come with experience.